Toyota MMT. How to leave it on the gear. For example, you don't want to leave it with the handbrake, or it's broken, or you have some minus from on the outside. So how to do it? You parking, yeah, yes. And what you do, you leave it on this and just turn off the engine. You see, first gear. It stay on the first gear. Oh, not moving. It's gear. Now, how to start the engine? You back, turn on switch, push the brake, do neutral, and start the engine. The one and second one, how to let's do again the gear. You see, I leave it on the gear, on the first gear. Yes, now I'm back, I'm push this and do it like this on the neutral. And again, turn on the switch, push the brake, start the engine. Just don't leave it with the big angle. It will hard to remove the gear from the first gear. It will hard to remove it. Only on small angle, not big angle. Okay.